Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, and we're going to show you, where do we go here? Upside down or right side up? Upside down, right side up. There is no side room here. There's side room over there. You can see that jack shaft, and that's an old school one right there from Chamberlain. I believe that is a LGO. That was an experimental type series. And how old is this garage now, sir? Like about 20?
20 years.
20 years old. So we've been over here fixing these doors for a while. And the old one was hung there. And we did an upside down jack shaft installation. It is an 8900 light duty W battery backup. We got the battery is in there. We're probably gonna ask the homeowner maybe do a little Velcro strip here or there just to hold everything up there tight, just to make sure with the weight and stuff. We put 2 brackets on there and there, 2 center bearings, and a new sprocket with some chain. It goes all the way up and over on this little tiny little drawbar. Okay, and you can see we got lots of high lift in here, big springs up top. Okay, and some huge drums. There's the cool Shelby Viper snake there from Mr. Carroll Shelby. That guy was a genius. Alright, and there's the sprocket. Now I'm going to get down here. 8900 W, and it comes with a little push button here. And here we go. Like a dream, nice and quiet. And then the slow stop, of course. And there's all that stuff up there, the tension monitor, the big whopping springs, the big drums. Okay, there's old school Mustang there on the wall. Alright, and we rehooked the photo eyes. The homeowner wanted us to do that, and he just kept the old ones. He's very mechanically inclined, so he's going to keep those, so when these things go bye-bye, he'll just put the new ones on. So here's the button again, single button on the 8900. And up we go. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Thanks for watching our upside down jack shaft video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.